We published a recent study looking at stem cell therapy as a possible treatment for diabetes. And one of the things we looked at in the best studies that we found, there were 13 of them, were typically randomized controlled trials, meaning that patients were randomized into two groups. One of them got the stem cells, the other group got saline or something that was a control group. Okay? Now, they all got lots of cell counts. So for instance, in this study, it was 1 × 10⁶, 1 million stem cells per kilogram. So I'm going to show you an interesting result here in one of the studies that we looked at. In a 2016 study, they looked at over 90 patients, and they randomized them to get umbilical cord stem cells IV or saline. And when you talk about reducing the incidence of complications with diabetes, look at this amazing result. So by the end of the follow-up period, which was 3 years in this study, in group 1, which got the stem cells, there was no increase in the incidence of diabetic complications. And this is not the only study that we looked at that showed this. So people ask us all the time, or they'll say, oh, there's no research to back up stem cell therapy for A, B, C, and D. Well, in this case, let's call D diabetes, but there's a lot of research. So I have no idea why people are ignorant about it. But in this case, let's go back to what they were writing here, is in group 2, though, the group that got saline and not the stem cells, there was a very substantial increase in the incidence of diabetic complications, such as retinopathy with eye problems, diabetic neuropathy with leg and feet and hands, numbness, tingling, and pain, as well as nephropathy, kidney failure. So we get people calling us all the time from around the world with these complications that we can typically help or help prevent with stem cell therapy. So visit us online today at r3stemcell.com and then call us at +1 844 GET STEM. We'll set you up with a free consultation. Thank you.